How to change the call vibration on your Android device. First of all, what you need to do to change the way your phone vibrates when someone is ringing you is swipe down on your screen and go to settings. So click on the settings or gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen, scroll a bit down and find sounds and vibration. After you click on sounds and vibrations, scroll a bit down and you can see call vibration. Go ahead and tap on the call vibration option and you can see a lot of ways how your phone can vibrate when it is ringing. So as you can see, there are a lot of options. You can go ahead and try it and figure out which you want. So all you need to do is find settings, go to sounds and vibrations and find the call vibration option. Once you do this, you can see a lot of vibration types. You can easily select the one you want and you're done. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.